Hello, good morning and welcome to my channel again. Today is on Friday, it's a new month, Friday 10th, 1st, it's on 1st October 2021 and it's a new month. So today I've spotted another potential trading opportunity and I thought I should share it out. I've already indicated that on my WhatsApp group. I've already shared the chart as well as the, the alert to place your buy orders. Now, if you need the links to my WhatsApp group as well as the Telegram group, you can find them in the description part below. And please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and you can share to your friends also. So we're going to have a look at it and see why I've recommended a buy for this particular pair. Uh, if also you have any specific topic that you'd like me to address, please leave it in the comment section so that I will prepare something for the same. So if we begin our analysis of this pair on the H1, if I just clear some of this, you should be able to see that price is giving us an impulse move, then a retracement, impulse move, then a retracement. So actually we could say that the impulse move begins from here. I could delete this. Let me take out this. So we could say that this is the impulse move. This is the impulse move to the new higher high. This is the new high. So this is the new high. Then this is a retracement to this is a retracement to this level here. So this one we could call it a retracement, right? So let me name it as a retracement. So we have price pushing above this resistance zone. This is the resistance zone. As you can see, it has held as a resistance zone at that point. It came, it held as a resistance at that point. It also came and held as a resistance at that point there, this point here. So after that, we get a break right above it, and then it pushes strongly to come and retest this resistance. So usually when price does something like that, there is a possibility that this level will hold and we will see price being pushed all the way back up. So that could be ours. So the first reason we could write is that we have an impulse move upwards. Is that number one, we have a new impulse move upwards. Upward. Right. Let me increase the font to 16. So we have a new impulse move upwards. And then number two, we could say we have a break and retest of a resistance zone. So point number two, we say we have a break and retest of a resistance zone. Right, that is our second point. So we look for more. Remember, you need maybe if you get 5 reasons, that is a very concrete trading strategy. If you fail, let me say you should have at least 3 reasons. At least 3 reasons. If you can't come up with at least 3 reasons, then most likely that setup there is it's not a good one. So also another thing we should see is that we have a trend line confirmation. You can see this. We have got trend line confirmation. So point number 3. Point number 3 is we have a trend line confirmation. Trend line confirmation. So this is point number 3. Number 3. Then we could also add something else. We could throw in the Fibonacci. Usually price, when we get an impulse move upwards, price tends to retrace to level 50.0 or 61.8. So we can add a Fibo at this point and we drag it all the way upward. Then you should be able to see that this region is between 50 and 61.8. So we have a Fibo level confirmation. So number 3 or number 4. Number 4 is we have Fibonacci level confirmation. This is our reason 4. Then now we jump to candlestick analysis. So I'm going to the next chart that I've zoomed in a little bit so that you'll be able to see candlesticks very well. So this is the same chart and our point of focus is this region here. Change the color maybe to color. Yeah, so that is our area of focus. So what I want you to see is that you see price has been dropping strongly from this point up until this region here. At this region, we get our first potential indication that price might be interested in going back up. We get a candlestick with a longer lower wing. In other words, this is what we call the hammer. And from experience, you usually don't take the first shot. You wait for more confirmation because this will be a put off if first it's a put off because it's in red in color. If it was more of this type, then that is a very serious confirmation. And also another thing I've realized is that you try to avoid placing orders at midnight because at this point here, this is exactly midnight. So you see this point here, it's exactly towards midnight. Yeah, that was the midnight point. So this would be automatically not be an interesting signal because already we are heading towards the night and usually price tends to stop us out and the spread tends to be crazy at midnight. So you try and avoid trading at that. So we get the second candlestick, this one, which also has an extremely longer lower wing. So this should be your clue that price is rejecting this level down here. Remember, this level is a key level. It's a support. It's a support zone. If I add back to, we've already seen it. So this level is what we are talking about. This is now a support zone. So then we get, for the first time, we get an indication that the bulls are interested, but this is not an interesting signal. So this could be your second clue. If price was closing strongly, and still I would not be interested in placing this order because, like I've said, we are moving towards the midnight. Then the next candlestick, we get a doji followed by a candlestick, a hammer. Now this is the interesting signal here. Others would call it a morning doji star. This is the interesting signal, and this is your confirmation now that price will go up. This here, because we're getting a doji, which is a neutral candlestick, followed by a hammer and a long lower wing. So this here is your clue that price would go up. So I've already told people to place their buy order. This is the buy order, and we have the possibility of price pushing upwards. So we'll just wait and see how it performs. And as always, this is a risky business. You are advised to use proper risk and money management rules so that you'll be successful in the long run. So that's all I have now. Let me know what you think in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, thank you so much.